Alright, 8th graders, lesson 64, using a unit multiplier to convert rate. Rates, you can have, like your book shows here, 60 miles, and we say the line stands for the word per 1 hour, so 60 miles per hour. Or we also, sometimes when we want to convert, we might need the same numbers just in the opposite way. For every 1 hour of time I travel, I go 60 miles. So it's kind of like the reciprocal of 60 miles per hour is 1 hour per 60 miles. So depending on the type of problem that we have, we may or may not use those. But they both equal 1, since if we were to multiply them, we'd have 60 over 60, which equals 1, which shows they are true reciprocals. Alright, here in example 1, we have Yasmin ran a mile in 6 minutes. Use a unit multiplier to find her average rate in miles per hour. So she went, let's see here, 1 mile per 6 minutes. And I need to use a unit multiplier, and I want to end up with miles per hour. So I want to keep the miles on the top, and so I look up here at the top, and I might be looking at something there, but it's going to be minutes instead. And I want minutes to cancel out, so I'm going to put 60 minutes up here per 1 hour. I notice that I can reduce these to 1 and 10. And so now I can solve. 1 times 10 would be 10. And the minutes cancels out the minutes, so my label up here would be miles. And the denominator, 1 times 1, 1. And so she runs 10 miles per hour. And I can rewrite that down here, 10 miles per hour. That's how you would do example 1. Example 2, driving at 60 miles per hour, a car travels about how many kilometers in 2 hours? Alright. $60 miles per hour, and I'll convert that here. And we see that it tells us 1 mile is about 1.6 kilometers. So I'm going to cancel out the miles. So I'm going to put miles down here. And kilometers up here. 1.6 kilometers equals 1 mile. And so I can solve this here. The miles cancel out the miles. Denominator will be 1 hour. Now I just need to know how many kilometers I've gone. Six times 0 will be 0. 6 times 6 is 36. Times 0 will be 0. 1 times 6, so... and I have 1 decimal place. So 96 kilometers in 1 hour. And then the book obviously asked us how many kilometers would they go in 2 hours. So I'm going to have to do 96 times 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 1 more is 19. So in 2 hours, I would go 192 kilometers. Alright, that's rates. Again, the big thing is trying to cancel out labels, put them in the opposite place so that you end up with the labels that you want. Don't forget to reduce, and you can get started on your lesson practice.